Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's! We are in the year 2020. We made it. My name is PaintHerFrancois. I am a visual artist and I use this platform to share my work studio with you, my artwork, my painting process, and the things I go through on a regular basis as an artist. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that these videos that I make are actually reaching out to the right people that can relate, and also the more that you like the videos, it does help me know that you like to see more content like this one. If you'd like to see anything else that you would like me to put on my YouTube channel, just comment below and I'll be more than happy to take any of your advice so that I can pretty much make videos of what you'd like to see. Pretty sure I've said it in my past videos, but I am Haitian American, and also today is Haiti's Independence Day. So this is a very important holiday in my culture, in my family. This is the day that we won our independence, and every year as a tradition we make pumpkin soup. So I made my soup with my wife. I've been eating it all day. I love that soup. Happy Independence Day to all of you Haitians out there. So just so you'll understand, I don't really believe in having a resolution. What I'd like to talk about today is what I've learned all 2019, what changes that are coming for 2020, and also why I didn't do Vlogmas. When you go through life and different experiences, you learn from them and you know what not to do and what to do differently the next time. And 2019 for me was mainly focusing on my online shop. As an artist, I've never actually thrived so hard in that area or believe in myself to even try to have an online shop, and I do, and I'm very proud of that. The thing that I would change though is that 2019 I have done a lot of portraits, and I've been an artist for over 15 years. I've done all kinds of things, but I've been doing portraits for a while, and I think I lack in giving you guys original artwork. Original pieces are everything. When you do original pieces as an artist, the thing that sells is that the person buying it knows how original it is, and I don't think I have given that to my supporters. I do have a few originals, but over time, as life changes and the world changes around you, your art changes too, and the way you think and the way you move does reflect on your pieces that you make on your own as originals. So I would like to, in 2020, get to know myself a lot better by making a lot more original pieces. So stepping away from the self-portraits and getting into the original pieces is something that I do look forward to. Vlogmas. This is the first year I've ever been on YouTube during the holiday, and I decided to do Vlogmas. I made my first Vlogmas video. I chose not to continue. I completely stopped, and the reason why is because I just didn't feel like Vlogmas was not genuine, because I just didn't know what I was doing. So I couldn't genuinely give you holiday inspirations and the things that you might look for in Vlogmas in my world just yet. I'm still new to using, like, you know, video editing programs, my camera, and then to tell you guys that I'm just gonna post something every day or even every other day, it was still kind of a struggle for me. So I could tell that I wasn't ready to give you something every day or as much as I could. So maybe next year, but that's the reason why I stopped Vlogmas. I just didn't think I can give you what you were looking for. And I prefer to just be myself. And if I were to continue, I think the things that you would have saw in those Vlogmas videos would have been ingenuine. It wouldn't be as real as it should have, I think. So I just chose not to. Anything that seems like it was just too much pressure, I don't like that, so I just totally stopped it. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. If you look at all the videos that I've made so far, I've only have a few videos on this channel. I'm still new to it. You can see how shy and how uncomfortable I am on my first few videos, and I can decide to just pull them off at any time, but I'm keeping them up there so that you guys can see my progress. Like, I'm proud of my mistakes. I'm proud that I've started something, and I look forward to looking back at those to see how much I've actually grown. I think I'm just more better at showing you guys my creative side, period, and maybe the more I work at this, the more content I can give you that is more genuine. But for now, I prefer to just give you stuff that I believe is true and honest. Also, in my Vlogmas, I have mentioned that people have placed orders for commission paintings. I've decided to separate my portrait paintings from the actual vlog that I was doing. So I will be sharing a few paintings that I've done over the holiday in separate videos with you guys. So you'll be seeing those posted here on my channel pretty soon. I don't really plan to lose any weight. I've learned that I have been through changes in my body, and it did hit me for a second that I did kind of feel a little disappointed, like, hey, why don't I look the same? Why don't I look the same as I did, you know, when I was a little bit more skinnier? But honestly, this is a time when women go through different changes in their body. You know, these are my brand new birthing hips. These are even bigger breasts for whatever it is to come for me, and I have to accept that as a woman. And even though I don't look the same, I am even more beautiful than I was before. So going into 2020, I definitely am accepting myself the way that I am and understanding myself more as a woman. And I look forward to putting myself around other women that can encourage each other and pretty much see the beauty in one another, because it's really good to have people around you like that. So for those of you who have your goals set for the new year, just know that every day is the best day that you can possibly have. And even though it may seem bad, I just want to let you guys know to just live every day as best as you can. Every day that I wake up, and what I've learned through going through therapy and just, you know, being more in tune to my emotions and the goals that I set for myself, remember that you can just do your best every day. So I wish the best for all of you this year, and I just hope that you're not putting so much pressure on yourself. Enjoy every day, be the best version of yourself that you can possibly be, and love yourself. I guess I'm telling you guys that because that's what I've done in 2019, and I still continue to wish that for myself onto the new year also. Those of you who are interested in my online shop, things that I wasn't able to sell in the year of 2019 are now all on sale, because I would like to make room for the new things that I have for 2020. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Once again, please subscribe and please like so I'll know that you want more videos like this. Also click on the bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post a new video. And once again, you'll be seeing more videos of my artwork and my portraits that I've done during the holiday. And I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye. Happy New Year's.